In this video, I'm going to review Maildroppa, which is a really powerful email marketing tool. I'm going to cover the pricing, ease of use, automation features, integrations, and more to help you decide if Maildroppa is the right choice for your business. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because using the wrong email marketing tool can waste a lot of time and money in your business. So allow me to help you by telling you everything you need to know about Maildroppa. Let's start with pricing because I'm sure that's what a lot of you are interested in. If we look at their pricing on their website, you can see they have a completely free plan that you can get started with no credit card required. You can sign up completely for free. You get access to a lot of features. You get up to 100 subscribers and you can send up to 2,500 emails per month, which is really great. Up to 99% deliverability. So people are actually going to get your emails as well, and you can start actually monetizing your small audience. You can use the link in the description, try it out for free. If you decide to upgrade, it's $5 a month, which is extremely affordable for 1,000 subscribers, and that can scale up as you get more and more subscribers, all the way up to $1,200 per month. If you have 400,000 subscribers, which means you're probably making a lot of money anyways, so you can easily afford the premium monthly subscription. You get everything in free, unlimited monthly emails, priority feature requests, and priority email support 24/7. So pretty simple pricing model here. It's free or you can pay the premium depending on the number of subscribers. Let's talk about ease of use. Maildroppa's interface is clean, intuitive, and really easy to navigate. The dashboard is well organized, providing quick access to key features and analytics. Customer support is also really good. You can easily contact them. You can fill in your name, your email, and send a message. You can also call them and reach them through live chat. What about email design and templates? Well, Maildroppa offers a variety of email templates designed for different industries and purposes. The email editor allows for lots of customization, so you can actually modify the template to match your brand identity. The drag and drop editor is also really intuitive and easy to use, so you can create professional looking emails without having any coding knowledge. What about automation and workflows? Maildroppa offers robust automation tools to create workflows like automated email sequences and conditional triggers. The automation builder is user friendly, which allows you to set up and manage your automations effortlessly. Advanced automation capabilities include behavioral triggers, lead scoring, and tagging, and this will allow you to create really personalized targeted campaigns. What about segmentation and personalization? Well, you can actually segment your audience based on their subscriber, their behavior, demographics, and other criteria. So this can allow you to reach certain people depending on what kind of email you're sending. You can filter your subscriber base. As far as integrations goes, Maildroppa integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, including CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and social media networks. For example, you can easily integrate Maildroppa with Shopify, WordPress, and Zapier. They also have a robust API that you can use for custom integrations, so you can actually do a lot more functional things with Maildroppa. Now, for deliverability, Maildroppa is known for its high deliverability rates, which means that emails are actually going to reach your subscribers' inboxes. They actually have spam testing tools to analyze emails for potential issues, which again helps the deliverability. They also provide tools and best practices for managing the sender reputation. Analytics and reporting, Maildroppa offers comprehensive reporting tools. They're providing insights into key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. So you can actually access real-time analytics while you're running campaigns, so that can help you make adjustments as necessary. They also have advanced features like conversion tracking and ROI analysis. So if you're running a business and you're using Maildroppa as your email provider, your email marketing tool, then you can actually use it to help calculate your return on investment as well. For contact management, Maildroppa makes it really easy to manage your subscribers. They have lots of bulk tools that you can use for adding, importing, and organizing your contacts. They also have tags and custom fields that you can use to segment and personalize communication. For A/B testing, Maildroppa provides A/B A/B testing. You can test lines, content, and send times. So in your email, you can actually test the subject line to see which one gets more clicks. You can also A/B test your content, like the actual bulk of the email, as well as the time that you send it. So you can have it like send the email at different times to see which one gets you more responses and opens. Results are presented in a really easy to understand format, so you can actually get insights into what works best for your audience. Maildroppa's email templates are also really mobile responsive, which means their emails will look good on any device. This is really important because more and more people are using their phones to check their emails instead of a laptop. So you can rest assured that Maildroppa emails are going to look even if someone opens it on their phone. Overall, Maildroppa is a really versatile email marketing platform. They have a wide range of features and tools that you can use, especially if you're a small business or an individual. I hope this answered a lot of your questions, and if you have any more questions, just drop them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to Maildroppa. You can actually try it out completely for free. Thanks for watching.